it's so damn fast. And quality, well, there's a reflection. It's not gonna be able to focus, of course, but it's amazing this is possible. And this is indeed my washing machine. Pretty cool. It's amazing. So it's just the bottom side, since it has like a weird bed, which looks quite nice, I think. Yeah, this doesn't look as smooth as these sides, but this completely ridiculous. Now the only thing is here, which I don't care a shit about, but so this is the first layer, I guess. You can see the difference. It's funny because here it moves like at 50% speed, and actually all the rest with insane speed, because I had it at sporty. So that's 125%. Really fast, and this looks so much better. If I, yeah, well, I can show you a print that I made with the, and this is one of the best looking prints. Let me see. Yes, this is. So this is the ender. Same. Yeah, I used the same the same filament, and it's old filament. But this looks quite nasty compared to this. Oh, to this one. This is above my expectations. I thought it would look a little bit better than this, but much faster. But this looks so much better. And of course this is not a very intriguing wicked form. But hell, kind of like this. It said this would take 1 hour and 3 minutes, and on the Ender 5 it took 2 hours and 58 minutes. So this is 3 times as fast, but it looks well, 3 times as good. And also I had it at a higher speed, so the time I thought it would take was based on the slicer and not so much the machine. So this 1 hour and 3 minutes is at 100%. 125% is well, less. This looks really good. Oh, can I use it? I don't know, but I needed to print something, and this is just some random filament. And well, random, it's from Ender, but it prints really good. Well, in the end, I'm making usually quite simple forms. I'm not making like these puppets for a game or something. So this might not be really hard to print, but well, the difference is clearly visible, I think. I mean, this is one of the best looking ones. There's one that is more terrible, that has these. This is from the Ender, so I don't know what happened here. I changed some settings. It's also not round, but should print one of these to compare them. I noticed these do not fit my NEMA 23 motors, but I'm gonna print one because just I wanna see the difference between the two printers, just for fun and giggles. Yeah, very cool. See ya.